This is the most honest video I've ever made, but I feel like it's necessary to share my thoughts and feelings with you. I feel like an outsider in my own country. I feel out of my element. I can't relate to most people here, most things here. I literally cannot believe how big these houses are. The lifestyle. More strip malls. Granted, I've spent a total of 6 months in the States since 2013, but still, it's hard for me to make friends. In my own country, I find people here to be obnoxious. I am a lot quieter here. I am more timid. While I've been in the States the last month, it's been a struggle to make videos. To produce high quality content. The backbone of capitalism in America. Just a section of dog food is bigger than most convenience stores abroad. It was much easier to film in Somaliland or Jordan or Malawi.
Welcome to Malawi. This is a good country.
Here in the States, I feel more shy talking with people in public and putting my camera in people's faces. Maybe it's because they can all speak English, or that I think I'm feeling judged, or that I find it less culturally interesting here. Dwight Eisenhower is from Denison, Texas. Whatever the reason is, I'm having a hard time adapting to American life. I believe I was put on this planet to hop borders. Just crossed into Uganda. To explore the unknown.
Really in the jungle right now.
To find hidden cultures and stories and share them with you. To try bizarre street foods and to help bring peace among each other one step at a time. And that's why I can't wait until April 22nd when I head back to the Philippines and then Papua New Guinea, East Timor, the Maldives, and Iran. Is it just me, or are there any other travelers out there who feel like I do when returning to your own country? I'm Drabinsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.